Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing of this Kobalt Cordless Hedge Trimmer, so stick around. Okay, so before we take this on a test run, I just want to kind of point this out. I already have the Kobalt leaf blower, and the same battery that fits in here will also fit in this. And I really don't use the leaf blower a whole lot, so if for some reason on a day where I'm using this a bunch, I can totally take this out when I'm done with it and just use it on this hedge trimmer. So that's going to be pretty cool. And one of the reasons why I got this is because I own some rental properties that I do the landscaping for, and I needed something that did not plug in because it's kind of hard to get some electric where I need to go. So I thought this would be perfect for me to give it a try. So let's take this on a test run. Alright, so the way this works is you got to pull this trigger and you got to pull this here. One or the other doesn't work, both of them together, and it'll start. I really like this right here. This handle turns, locks in, and then it will go turn all the way the other way, just like that. So pretty cool. So let's give this a try. Alright, so final thoughts on this. I like it so far. Blade is sharp, works good. I think it's going to be very good for my purposes. That way I don't have to haul a bunch of cables and things like that and try to worry about plugging them in and reaching around long distances. I can just grab this and take off and go. So pretty excited to use this. Make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.